Down here we've got a low. We've basically made higher highs, lower highs, higher highs, some choppiness obviously throughout here, but this has not broken any major lows. This is still considered a lower high. After that, it makes higher high. This is just a lower high. So all throughout here, there was really good opportunities to buy. And I waited a bit more patiently. I waited for price to even rip up further to really confirm. And as price pulled back, I bought right in here. Why is this level significant? We have imbalance, as we can see, right through here. Nice little rejection. I shared a gold chart at the start of the week, and literally the only two lines I had on was right here, because I was looking for a rejection at that level. And structurally, all we gotta do is continue to follow the trend. Do not go against the trend. So we have higher highs, higher lows. As soon as we break, we've continued to make higher highs. The expectation of order flow is we continue to make higher lows, and higher highs. That is lower high. Okay, we make a higher high. What's the expectation after we make a higher high? Is that we make another lower high. Sorry, higher low. Keep getting that messed up. And once again, we make a higher high. So what is the expectation? The expectation is still that we create a higher low, basically between, I would say at least here and here. Let me move my chart over. Right, our expectation of that should not change. Let me see if I can get this in a bit for you guys, a bit clearer. But our expectation, market structure wise, should not change. Okay, the next pair I'll show you guys is market structure wise, which I made, I'll show you guys Aussie yen actually. Had a nice trade for about, it was 1 to 5R. But I got into a trade yesterday and I closed out at break even and ended up ripping like 1 to 8. So that would have been a good like 3-4% that I screwed up. But yeah, a lot of people are trying to short this pair, especially at the start here. Sorry, there's like a weird line coming through my Instagram here. Okay, here we go. So expectationally, on a 1 hour time frame especially, we get this movement to the downside. A lot of people are going to short this or continue to look for shorts. And I was looking for shorts here too at a specific point. But if we just look at 4 hour structure, we need to follow expectational order flow again. We have a low, we've broken, we've made a higher high. Expectation, we make a higher low. Okay, as soon as we make a higher high, what's the expectation? We make higher low. We make another higher high. Expectation is we make a higher low. Here we do wick, but the wick isn't really, we never break candle body below this low, so it's just a fake out really. So the expectation order flow continues, and we continue making higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, and the expectation of order flow continues. And a lot of you guys are making it way more difficult than it needs to be. I traded up into this order block here, so I took profits in that area, and I got in right around this area here, so caught a move from here to here. And actually I closed it, it was right about in this area. But that 4 hour order flow, a lot of people see this, they're looking at this as like a break of structure, but if you look closely at the structure of the candles, we see this breaks lower, this breaks higher. So right now, this is making structure. Oops, let's move this out of the way. I'll use this tool. Right now, this is making structure that looks like this. And as soon as we see this candle break up, well, the order flow has changed. We were making lower lows and lower highs. The price is broken to the upside. We got to break a structure. So now we can just continue to expect higher highs and higher lows until the trend changes. Higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. Oops. Higher high once again, higher low. Higher high gets made, what do we expect? Higher low. Higher high gets made, what do we expect? Higher low. Higher high gets made again. And this actually doesn't pull back at all. All these candles are moving to the upside. So this just creates another higher high, higher low, higher high. And why would, even though it's tapped into this bearish order block, and on a daily there's an order block here, a lot of people are trying to short here, there's no shift in structure. You do not want to start shorting or go against a trend until this breaks one of these lows and we start making lower lows and lower highs. So that's the expectation of order flow. We want to continue to follow the trend till it completely ends. And a lot of people are getting that wrong. That's why people have messaged me this week. That's it. That's a quick lesson for today on market structure. That's all you guys are getting. But a lot of people have messaged me saying the market is slow right now, or there isn't anything going on.